Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we're on one of the, well, let's try and keep a smile on Marika or Miss Villabu's face. In other words, how does Mr. Paul make a little bit of money? But I've got a new superstar, and it's not Dave Jono, it's not Ash D, no. It's someone much more local. Let me introduce you.
Hello.
And what's your name?
My name is Pedar.
Pedar. And who are you? Pro gamer. Yeah. He's got his own gaming channel. I'm going to drop the link later, and if you want to go and watch him play games, you'll be able to watch. Now, he is the son of Hassan, the greatest car bodywork man in the world. Shall we go and see your dad?
Okay.
Yeah? Shall we try not give him some money? Yeah? Shall we not give him any money?
Okay.
But of course, if I don't give him any money, you don't get to eat. So what do you think? I tell you what, I'll just give the money to you. Good idea? Yeah? I'll give the money to you, and then you can give some money to your mum, and then none to your dad. What do you say? Good idea. Sounds good to me. Right, come on. Enough of this waffling. Let's get to the body shop and let's see what's going on. Because it is a bank holiday today, which is why this young man is here, because it's a holiday. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But, as usual, we're open. Because there's a little bit of money to be made, because there's a lot of people who have smashed up a lot of cars, and there's a mechanic working again today, and as you may have heard in a previous video, the rampant rabbit is knackered, but luckily a new engine has arrived and the mechanic is going to fit it. So hopefully next time Pedar comes down, this young man here, we'll be off in the rampant rabbit. Right, come on Pedar, let's go and have a look. Let's go and see what your dad is up to. Are you ready? Come on, Pedar, we got places to go and places to see. Let's get into this body shop and see what he's doing. Come on, man. In you go. Let's have a look. There he is. There he is. Who's that? Who is it?
That's my dad.
That's him. Huh? That's him. Now, you tell him what I just told you. We've got a new plan. Okay? We've got a new plan. I'm not going to give you any money. I'm going to give the money to him.
You both know.
Yes. Seems fair. And then he's going to use the money to eat and for his mum. And you? Well, that's it.
Nothing.
You're getting nothing. Nothing. Let's go and see this one over here. Look at him. He is a superstar. How are you doing? You all right? You all right?
Yes,
Good?
good, yes.
How's the waltz business?
Doing very good.
Yeah? Good.
Yes.
Because this young man, in his real job, works for, how do you say it? Walt
Delivery.
Walt Delivery, and he races around Paphos on a scooter, almost kills himself every day and everyone else around him, and delivers takeaways. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, and he's making a fortune. He's making so much more money doing that he only comes here half a day.
Might be around half day.
Yeah, because we can't afford him paying much, even though he is great. Look at him polishing. Look at him. Yeah. He's a good polisher. He really is good. He's from Nepal. Anyway, come on. Come on, young man. This is the superstar today. So Hassan, he's going to come here next Friday as well, because next Friday's a holiday.
Okay.
It's a holiday, yeah? So, next Friday, can come and help you.
I have school.
No, that's no school.
Okay.
So, next Friday, if you want, we can go down to the harbour, if you want. It's up to you. You can decide.
I'm not sure.
Yeah? And Miss Marika will be with us. Hey, what's in here? Go and have a look. Open the door. Hold on a minute. Roman, what do you think of Putin?
Fuck you, Putin. Fuck you.
Our anti-Russian movement, obviously. So what have we got in here? Whoa! The greatest man in the world! Ibrahim, the greatest car bodywork man in the world. Assalamu alaikum. You alright? Good?
Good.
Yeah, good. Oof. Look at that. So this is a little hire car that's had a mishap, and his father is going to paint it after Ibrahim has fixed it. We've got to get out of here because of that music. YouTube doesn't like it. Let's quickly run away. Oh no, we can't get out. We apologise to YouTube. Oh, what are you doing now? Excellent. Roman, what do you think of Mr Putin?
Putin Malaka.
That's a similar word to F-U-C-K. Anyway, as you can see, we're pretty anti-Russian. In fact, Russia doesn't exist anymore. It's left the planet. We're going to redraw the map, aren't we? Yeah? We're going to redraw a map, and we're going to make Bulgaria go over there because that's where this young man is from. Okay? So, Russia is gone. Putin, gone. We're going to make this man the president. Correct? So we'll call him Superstar President, and we're going in to see the mechanics. He's leading the way. Now, what's happened to my little rabbit? Kalimera. What are you doing to my rampant rabbit Fiat?
Fiat,
Yeah.
I bring engine.
Yeah.
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 I working today. Maybe tomorrow I finish.
Very good.
Okay.
How are you?
Good. You all right? What's your name?
Muhammad.
Mohammed. There we go. A good name. What's your name?
Hussein.
I thought you were going to say Mohammed, but never mind. Hussein. There we are. So, are these your kumbarus? Are they going to help you to fix my... Yes. Do a good job. Do a good job. Him? I don't trust him.
There, my friend Ibrahim.
He's the best.
Yeah. Shisha.
Shisha. Let's go and have a look. Kalimera. You all right? Good. What are you smoking? Hashish. Not illegal in Cyprus. Do you want some hashish? No. No. Now, look at that. That is the rampant rabbit. But, as I've told you, it's knackered. Right. But when it's fixed, it'll be nice. Jump in. Go on, get in. This will be your new car. I'll let you have it. Go on, jump in. What have I got here? These are my favourite sweets. I like these. Do you like those?
I've never tried them.
No. Well, you're unlucky because, well, it's empty. I'll buy you a box. You sit inside there while I just finish. So, this car is knackered, and this is well, it's not reconditioned yet, but this is a second-hand engine that has arrived, and that engine is going to go in there, and then, don't know where he's gone. Him, the one that's on the hashish, him, on the hashish, is going to fit that engine.
Yeah, I make one.
Yeah? One what?
I make full after I working.
Yeah.
Coming noon.
He's better after he's been on hashish.
You have a weed inside.
Luckily it's alright on YouTube, that. What's in there? Shit. Shisha. Your English is very good. Yeah. It's perfect English. It's better than my English.
Not very well, it's okay.
How's your Arabic?
Yeah.
Huh?
From Jordan.
Where are you from?
Jordan.
Where's that?
Urdun.
Jordan.
Yeah. In general, Jordanians do speak very good. Yeah. And I can hear the accent. Yeah?
It's not very well, it's okay.
You know I speak very good.
Why?
Because Syria from France take it.
Yeah.
Jordan, English take it.
And they do tend to.
You look,
I'll
look
come and see him.
English.
He does look English.
Yeah,
He looks like an
look
English
English.
bastard. Yeah, he does. Whoa! Hey up! Here he is again. I thought I left you in the car. Right, come on, let's go and see your dad. No, let's go and see your dad. So, Dave Jono, this is my new subscriber manager. Next Friday, he's going to come with us down to the harbour, me and Marika, and he is going to go and find everybody and click the like and hit subscribe and make us into almost as big as superstars as him. He's got his own channel. I'm going to put the link, and you, if you want to watch him play games, are going to go and watch him. Anyway, let's say bye-bye. What are you going to say?
Bye.
Well, you can say bye-bye a bit more if you want.
Make sure that you guys like and subscribe.
Yeah, that's it. Lovely. Thanks for watching. If you want to see some more of this madness, click the like, hit the subscribe, and come back for some more. Let's go and have a look at this van, because we haven't showed you that much that's been going on today. Let's have a little look. This big van has come in, and it's having a bit of work there. It's got some nicks there. And I think there's a few bits and bobs on the other side. Somewhere. There we go. One there. Bought by an English man who's got a man with a van business, and this is his new van, and it's just been shipped in, and we're doing it up for him for a very reasonable price, and then he's going to have it sign written, and in another video we'll mention who he is. Say bye-bye. Green. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where's my hero? There he is. Here he is. Let's have a look. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Yeah? Bye-bye. Lovely. Thank you. Bye.